Welcome again, guys. This is Learn with Lacey. In this video, we are going to go through the step-by-step process of creating these African folktale videos. I'm not only going to show you the step-by-step process, but I'm going to guide you on everything that you need to do, from getting your ideas, generating your script, doing your voiceovers, editing your videos, and also the last part will be about uploading your videos to YouTube. The right hashtag that you need to use and the right titles that you need to use, how to create your thumbnail for your video. I will cover all those things in this video. For you not to miss out on anything in this video, don't miss any part of this video, as every minute of this video is going to be very important. So I will advise you to take your pen and paper, sit down and watch this video to the end. Jot down everything I'm going to explain in this video, and you'll be guaranteed of getting success in your African Folktales channel. Without much time wasting, let's get started. Before you start writing your script, you need to get a very good idea, do some research to know the kind of stories that is going to go viral and the kind of stories that is not going to go viral. That is why in this show you how to do this research, how to get ideas that is going to go viral, observe different channels, and then we are going to pick an idea, then we'll start writing our script. Now, to know that an idea that you have gotten is going to get views, this is how you are going to do your research. You open YouTube, then in the search area here, you are going to search for African Folktales. If you don't follow these steps or getting these ideas, then you are just going to be creating videos that is not going to get views. But when you follow these steps that I'm explaining, you'll be sure of getting videos ideas that is going to get views. So that is why I've taken my time to explain detail in this section on how you can get your video ideas. Endure and follow these steps so that you get a good idea that is going to go viral for you. When you search for these African folktales, you will scroll down. So please pay attention. And when you scroll down, what we are trying to do is to see the kind of videos that are getting views, the kind of topics that are getting views, that people are interested in watching. Because if you just create anyhow videos and you think the YouTube doesn't like your channel, you are not getting views, you are not going to get views. So now let's just go on. So you just have to type in this African Folktales in the YouTube search bar. Then when you are going to scroll down, now we are going to go to the top channels that are getting views. We'll go to the top channel, and now we are going to analyze why the kind of videos that is working for them, so that we too can create those kind of videos on our own channel. So let's just take a look at this other channel. Let's just take a look at this other channel. So let's just click on this. I'll go to the channel. So now this channel is Onye Stories and Folktales. If you scroll down, you are going to just go to her videos. So let's just go to her videos. When you go to our videos, you click on popular. When you are doing this on any channel at all, this is how you are going to do it. You click on popular, and when you click on popular, you will see the most popular videos on the particular channel that you want to observe. So now, if you take a look at this channel, you will see that this first video talks about if only they knew why mirrors are not allowed in her hair salon. Then the second video, if only they knew how she cooked their food she used. Then the third video here talks about if only they knew the secret. So now you can see the pattern of the titling she is using on her videos. These are the reasons why our videos is getting views. You can see the pattern. Nobody is going to review this secret to you. You can see the pattern before you start writing your script and doing your stories, and then you end up not having views. You will complain because you are not following a pattern. So you can now observe that these are the kind of patterns that she is using on her titles, and you can see most of the titles that she used this pattern on got views, and the kind of story she's writing about is a kind of negative issues, some kind of controversial issues. That's what they are writing stories about. These are the stories that are getting views, and you see the kind of title she's using for a video. We'll get to that in this course. Now let's go back and check another channel. So this particular channel, she have created up to 107 videos, but she's getting only 7.3k subscribers. Now let's go over to our videos. We'll do the same thing. We'll go over to the video section. Then you click on popular to see the most popular videos on this channel. Now please pay attention to this again. I want you to really understand this thing that I'm explaining. You can see these are videos in 1 month. This video got 152k views. This particular video, in 11 days, the video gets 62k views. This one, the third video here, in 7 days, this video got 46k views. Now, let me explain something to you. You will understand that it is the negative issues that are getting views. That is what people are interested in. Now, listen to this now. The first video here, she said she was adopted, so they maltreated her after there. You can see where the story stops. So you can see the thumbnail of this video. The second video here, we have she slept with my husband, you are fired. This is a story talking about, I think, talking about a maid sleeping with the madam's husband. You get? So these are negative issues that are happening. So these are the videos that are getting views. People like gossip. People like to listen to gossip and listen to negative stuff. People don't like all this positive stuff. So you check the third video here. Wicked grandma had sex with her grandson until this happened. So you can see the thumbnail of this video, see the title of the video. So these are the things that people are really interested in. If you take a look at this video is getting 240 views per hour. This particular video is getting 131 views per hour. So you can see how massive this kind of topics are getting views. Please, we are going to move on, but I don't really want you to understand this. If you skip any part of this video, I'm not sure if you are going to get what I'm saying. Now, let's scroll down and see. You can see the video she posted, she have been posting before. It wasn't really that kind of topic. You see, it wasn't really that kind of topics. But when she started posting those kind of topics and she observed that these kind of topics are getting views, then you now have to dive into those kind of topics and create more videos on those kind of topics. You get now? So that is that about getting your ideas. So now that you have gotten your ideas out of the way, you know the kind of topics that are getting views. The kind of topics that are getting views are negative issues, controversial issues, gossip, something that people want to watch. You get? So now that you get this idea now, you can now move on to write your topics and then you create your script. I'm going to show you how to write your script, so just pay attention and watch this video. So what you can do to make this thing easier for you, you can scan through different African folktale channels that are getting most views. Then you check their popular video, make a list of their most popular video that are getting high number of views. You copy the title, then you are trying to recreate, because nothing on YouTube is original. People just recreate what is already existing that is working, and then they add their own taste to it. You get? So now that we have gotten our title, you are going to do this on different folktale channels. You can do this on 10 folktale channels that are attracting views. Then you check their most popular video. If the video is still relevant, getting views, then you copy the title. Then what you are going to do, you are not going to use their title verbatim. You are going to edit something, but you are going to write you are going to tailor your own script on their own script. You are going to tailor it on the concept of their story. You get? So now let's just go to another channel, then we'll check the title of a video, and then we'll create our script from there. Now that we have gotten our ideas out of the way, it's time for us to go ahead and write our script. And to write this script, we'll be using ChatGPT, or if you are good in writing stories, then you can write your script by yourself. But if you are not good in writing script, then follow along with this next step. Now, for us to write our script, we must first pick our ideas. And from our previous lesson, which I talked about how to get ideas, then I've come up to this particular channel, Native African Tales. This channel got 23 videos and they got 52k subscribers. So when I filter down this, I observed that their most popular videos are this pattern of kind of videos. The same thing I also explained to you from our previous video on how to get your ideas. So if you see, you will observe that from here we have the first video here got in 3 months duration, this video got 1 million views. He pounded his only daughter alive. So you can see that. Then this second video, in 2 months, this video got 891k views. That's they never knew she was a snake until her wedding night. Then the third video here, no more virgins. Every girl in the village became prostitute. So if you if you look at this these topics, if we observe that they are related, they are kind of the same category of topic, negative stuff. So from here, this is how you can get the same kind of topics and write your script on. So let's say, for instance, we have no more virgins, every girl in the village became prostitute. We can get our idea from here. So what we can write a story about now is this. We can do it this way. We can say, no more virgins, every woman in the village became prostitute. So you see that? Or we can say, every woman in the village became sex workers. So you observe what I'm trying to say. Not that you are going to write the same kind of title that they are writing. We are not copying their script. We are just getting the concept of the story so that we can go viral as a small channel, because you can't start creating a random story as a small channel and you expect to get this high number of views. You have to dive down on what others are doing that is giving them views. All right, so now you can decide to write your script by yourself, or you can go to ChatGPT. You can use AI to write your script. If you are good at writing script, you can write your script by yourself. Please pay attention to this. But if you are not good at writing script, you can either use AI to write your script, or you can pay someone to write your script for you if you have the money for that. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to write this script using AI. So like I said, we have gotten this idea, no more virgins, every girl in the village became prostitute. So now we are going to go to ChatGPT. I just hope ChatGPT is not going to block our prompt. All right, so I'm going to go to ChatGPT and we are going to say this. Hi. So we are going to tell ChatGPT, please, I want to create a story video on this story topic. No more virgins, every woman. Write a full story. So we are going to tell ChatGPT to do this. Now we are going to send this. All right, so you can see ChatGPT has started writing this script. When it's done with this script, we are going to adjust it, twist some certain things that we need to twist in this particular script. Now that our script has been generated, now we can read through this script and tweak what we want to tweak on this particular script. So let's just read through this script. Wait guys, if you are watching up to this point and you haven't subscribed to the channel or you haven't liked this video, please, you need to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that we are going to move forward. Now let's go on with our video. Sometimes ChatGPT is going to use bigger English. So what you can do is tell the ChatGPT to use a simple English that a 2-year-old child would understand. You add that to your script. I'm going to give you the script that I use in writing this story in the description of this video. All right, so let's just go on. So the chapter 1 said the changing times. The village of this was once a place of this and that and that. So you just read through your script. So what we are going to do is this. You will go to the video that you are trying to emulate the concept or their story from. You try to watch this. This is the work involved in this thing if you want to get views. So you go to the video you are trying to emulate the concept of their script. You read through, you watch the video, see how the video is being tailored, see how the story is see where the story is going, what the story is talking about. So you just go through your script, and if you see here, they say the women of this, once the backbone of their household began to feel the weight of economic hardship without the support of their husband, many were left to fend for themselves. So this story is talking about how there was an economic hardship in a village, and people started, people were being tempted, and out of desperation, they go into what they were not supposed to go into. Okay. So this is the story. So what we are going to do is this. Each of these chapters, you can tell ChatGPT to expand each of these chapters for you. So let's just do that. So we are going to tell ChatGPT to expand, make chapter 1, expand chapter 1. That's if you are going after a longer script, you can tell ChatGPT to expand each of these chapters so that you get longer script. Okay, I did a video on how to get longer script. I'll leave that video in the description of this video. You can watch that. So this is what we are going to do now. So what I'm going to do is to copy this script, and then we move forward to generating our voiceovers. So what you will do is to copy this entire script and paste it into a Word editing document, Microsoft Word, or you can paste it into Google Doc. So I'm going to copy this now, then I'm going to paste it into Google Doc. So this is Google Doc now, so you just have to click paste. So paste without formatting. So after pasting in this, you just have to remove each of these headings. So we just have to re-edit this, remove each of these headings. Alright, so after removing that, removing what you don't need, you can just go through your story, then see what you need to add and add it. ChatGPT is not going to give you everything, so you go through your story, take that time to go through your story, then see what you need to add, see what you don't need to, you need to remove, and what you need to add them to your story to make your story more human. You get, you are not just going to drop anything on YouTube and expect to get views. You need to take your time, work on your story very well before you drop your story. That is how you get views. You don't just drop anyhow story and you expect to get views. It's not magic, okay? After writing your script, the next step is to generate the voiceovers for your video. And in this session, we are going to generate voiceover for our video. To generate this voiceover, we'll be using different text-to-speech AI website. Or I would advise, if you be able to do this voiceover yourself, then it's advisable you record this voiceover yourself. All you need to do is to use the recorder app on your phone and record your voice. If you can't use that, follow this next step by using the text-to-speech website. Go back to your script, and now we are going to copy our script, highlight it, highlight everything, and copy it. Now we are going to go to any AI text-to-speech. Now, if you can make use of your voice and read your script, don't look at anyhow your voice is. People are interested. They want to read, they want to listen to your story, okay? So no matter how your voice is, they will likely watch your story, okay? So if you have the time, stay in a cool environment and read your script. It will save you the stress of looking for text-to-speech AI website that you will use. Or you can give it to your child if you have someone close to you to read that script for you. So you are going to read your script as like you are telling a narration, you are narrating a story. Put feeling into your script as you are reading it. But if you want to bypass that, if you are shy, please when you're looking for money, you don't need to be shy. So you can just read your script, or if you can't read your script, then you follow this next step that I'm about to explain, which is using an AI website to generate voice for your script. Now, these are the AI websites you can use to generate your voice. You can use 11 Labs, but 11 Labs is a paid website, you get. It is their AI voice is more realistic, okay, more human. Then another website you can use is Clipchamp. I'll leave the link to all these things I've mentioned in this video in the description of this video. Another website you can use is FlexClip. Clipchamp is totally free to use, but it is only available for laptop users. 11 Labs is available both on your mobile phone. If you are using your mobile phone, you can create this voice using 11 Labs on your mobile phone. Clipchamp is only for laptop user. So if I would advise, if you have someone with a laptop, then you can tell the person to help you with the laptop, or you can just go over there, enter this website, get your script, put into the website, generate it. It will not take you up to 10 minutes. Generate your voice over, send it to your phone, then you use it anyhow you want to use it. FlexClip also uses is only available for laptop user. If you have any other website that you can use to generate your voiceover, you can simply do that. But now let's just make use of the Clipchamp website to demonstrate this to you. So you go to the clipchamp.com. Wait guys, if you are watching up to this point and you haven't subscribed to the channel, or you haven't liked this video, please, you need to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that we are going to move forward. Now let's go on with our video. Then you click on the try for free. When you click on try for free, you will be asked to log in, or you asked to sign up. You just have to sign up with your Google account, or you can use your Microsoft account if you have it, to sign up to the website. After signing up to the website, you will come to an interface like this. Is to click on create a new video. From this place, click on record and create. Then come down and click on text to speech. When you do that, on your right hand side, you will see another option which says new text to speech. So from here, you come down here and paste in the script that you just copied, the script that you generated. You just have to click and paste in here. So this script, it allows you a maximum of 7,650 characters. So if your characters is more than that, what you will do is to cut it bit by bit and do it 2 times or 3 times. Now you come over here and click on select the language you want to use for this. So for this, I'll be using English. So you select any language of your choice that you want to use for this. Now you come down here and select the voice actor that you want to use for your voiceover. Click inside here and select any of these voice actors that you want to use. So let's just say I will use this. To listen to the voice actor, how it sounds like, you click on hear this voice.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
So if you are satisfied with that voice, you can go ahead and click on save. Or you can click on preview for the voice to read part of your script to show you how it's going to sound like. Then if you are satisfied, you click on save and your voiceover will be ready. I'm going to show you how to edit this voiceover so that it's not going to sound more robotic. So now if you are satisfied, you just have to click on save. And our voiceover is ready. Let's just play it to listen to it. Click on this play option.
Yumyuk was once a place of simplicity and tradition. Known for its lush farmlands, serene rivers, and tight-knit community, Yumyuk...
So you can listen, you can see how it sounds like. So if you want to save this, you can just simply go up here, click on the export button, then select 480p. When that is selected, you can give a title to this, but it's not important. So it's going to read up to 100% and we are going to download our voiceover. Now that we are done with generating our voiceover, in this section, I'm going to show you how to generate your AI images that you need for your story. We are going to be using this AI website to generate the prompt for our AI images. So you don't have to go through the stress of writing your image prompt by yourself. This website is going to do that for you. Let's move on. Go to your web browser and from here, we are going to type in Microsoft Bing Image Creator. We'll make use of the first website that we see here. Please, let me explain this to you. There are different AI text to image that you can use to generate your image for your African Folktales, but the one I mostly use is the Bing Image Creator. You can use Leornado AI or any different AI website that generates image at all if it's suitable for you. But for this video, the one I use on different channels that I worked on is the Microsoft Bing Image Creator, and that is what I'm going to be demonstrating to you in this course. Click on the first link, then click on join and create. Sign in with a personal account. You'll be asked to sign in with your email address. So you can just enter your email address here or your phone number that you use in creating this, or if you don't have an account, you can click on create one here. I'm going to sign in to my email account and then we continue. The last time I signed in with my email address while recording the video, most of you have been using my email account and I've been receiving notification concerning that. And when you are signed in as a free user, you'll be given 15 points per day. It's going to renew each day. So if you see here, you can see I have 100 points because I'm using the pro version of this Microsoft Bing. If you want to make use of the pro version, I have a video I did on that concerning how to subscribe for this. So you can simply watch that video. It's going to show up somewhere on the screen, so you can simply watch that video and make use of that. So now it's time for us to create our images, and to do that, we'll need the help of ChatGPT to generate image prompt for us so that we don't have to do this by ourselves. For us to do that, let's go over to ChatGPT first, then we'll start a new chat. Then from here, we go to our document, which is our script that we just generated. So I'm going to copy this entire script. Then we'll come over to ChatGPT. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste this script here. So what I will do is this. I will ask ChatGPT, we'll go up to the upside here. So I'll ask ChatGPT to do this for me. So this is the prompt. I'll leave all this prompt in this video description. So I'll ask ChatGPT give me the names of each characters and village in the story. So this was I'll ask ChatGPT to do. So I'll send it. So this is what ChatGPT will bring. So it says here are the names of key characters and the village in the story. Then this is the village and this is the city. The main characters are Ada, a young woman worked in the nightclub and later started a movement to reclaim the village dignity. Key groups: wealthy businessmen, village elders, and community leaders. Women of the village, including young women and older widows who got involved in the nightclub scene. So they said the central theme revolves around the this and that. So this is the village and this is the city of the main characters in this particular story. Now, after getting the names of the characters in this story, we want ChatGPT to create a profile, because this profile that we are creating is going to help us maintain a bit of consistency in the image creation that we are going to be doing. So now in the text area here, just paste in this prompt. I'll provide you with the list with this prompt. So just paste in this prompt. This prompt says create a profile for each of the characters. Remember, they are all African Nigerian. Make it in form of an AI image prompt. Keep it short. I want to maintain consistency in the images. So if they are not African Nigerian, you can include the country inside here. So I'm going to send this. Wait guys, if you are watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed to the channel or you haven't liked this video, please, you need to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that we are going to move forward. Now let's go on with our video. So these are the profile of each of these characters. So the Ada is a young Nigerian woman, mid-20s, determined expression, wearing a simple vibrant Ankara dress with red and blue patterns, standing confidently in front of a small vocational training center in a rural setting. So what we are going to do is to copy this. What I'm giving you in this course is the exact process I followed while creating my folktale story. So we are going to come down here and paste in this prompt, all these characters, all these we are going to paste into our Microsoft Word, or if you are using Google Doc, you just paste in what we just copied. So I'm going to paste without formatting. So this is what we have. So the Ada, this is the prompt. So if you want Ada to be more than mid-20s, you can add the age, the exact age. So you can just go through each of these prompts. So let's just make this one bold. So we just format this so that we can know what we are doing. This is going to make our work easier. Okay, so we have this. This is Ada, and let's just make this, increase the font size so that you can see what I'm talking about. All right, so this is profile of Ada. All right, so we can add red and blue patterns, so we can decide on the kind of dress Ada is wearing, can decide the kind of hairstyle she's having, and these are the things that is going to help keep this image consistent. So what we are going to do now is to go back to ChatGPT. So what we'll do is to go back to our prompt. Then we are going to copy this prompt step by step. So we can copy from, let's say we can copy this from, we can copy and stop here. So let's copy this. Then we'll go over to ChatGPT and paste this inside here. Paste it inside the text area. So now we'll go to this prompt. Like I said, I'll leave this prompt for you. So we'll copy this prompt. Now give me an image prompt, include the character's profile for each paragraph. So I'm going to copy this prompt. Then I'll go over to ChatGPT. Then at the beginning of this text, I'll paste that prompt there. So I'll send it. And ChatGPT is going to give us image prompt for each of the paragraphs of this of our story. So the first paragraph, this is the image prompt. It said paragraph 1, Umwekwe's simplicity, a peaceful Nigerian village scene with lush green farmlands and calm rivers. The women dressed in traditional Ankara with modest design work together with baskets, symbolizing the pride of the community. So what I'm going to do is to copy this prompt, this first one. So I'm going to copy this. So we'll copy it, then we'll go over to our script, and we are going to come down here and paste this under here. So we'll paste this here. So this is this prompt that we will need for the first paragraph. So let's just go up. So let's copy the profile of these young women. So women of the village, okay, a peaceful village dressed in farmland camp. The women dressed in this. So the women, we are going to say young Nigerian women in their late 10s to early 20s. So we'll copy this from this place. Copy it down. We'll come down here where it mentions women. So we are going to say, we are going to paste that there. So this is how you edit your image prompt. Middle-aged Nigerian women, some with head scarves, wearing simple Ankara dress. So you can see that early 20s. Then we can also copy the middle-aged Nigerian women. So we can copy this. Then the women, young Nigerian mid-20s. Then after this comma, we can also paste that there. So it comprises of the middle age and the elderly women. So now we are going to, at the end of this prompt, we add realistic because we want this image to be realistic. We also add HD image. Then we also add oily image. So you make sure you add this to at the end of each of your image prompt. So we are going to copy this entire prompt, copy this, then we'll go over to the website that we are using to generate our image. Any website at all that you are using. For this, I'm using Microsoft Bing. So I'm going to paste this here. Now I'm going to click on generate. I'm going to click on create rather to create this image. So you just hold on and this image is going to create for you. So you can see our image has been created. Click on each of them to take a full preview of how the image looks like. And you can take a preview of these images. Click on this arrow and you see different images. It generates 4 images for you at first. So you can click on this download button if you want to download the image of your choice. You can click on this download button to download the images. So let's just download 4 of these images so that I can edit using these images for you. So let's download 4 of the images. So I'm going to edit this using these images. So you just edit that. So now we have downloaded those images. So let me show you how to generate the next script, the next paragraph, so that after this, then you can do this by yourself. So the next paragraph 2 said new road to Izioke, a newly paved road connecting the rural village of Umwegwe to a distant village. Along the road, cars, trucks pass by, while villagers dressed in a mix of traditional and wooden clothing stand observing the changes with curiosity and concern. So let's just copy this prompt. This is for paragraph 2. When we start editing our video, you will know why we need each of these paragraphs. So let's go back to here and we'll copy this and paste it here. So we'll paste it here. Okay. Now we are going to go into the profile of each of these scene. So like I said, this is the village, women of the village. So you need this and that. So let's go to ChatGPT again and we'll see what talks about the village. So we are going to go to our prompt, a newly paved road connecting the rural village of Umwengwe to distant city. Along the road, cars and this. So we're going to copy this now. We'll copy this. Then we'll go back to our image generator and then we'll paste in this prompt. Then we are going to click on create to create this image. And now that our image has been generated, you can click on each of them to take a preview of these images. So here is the first image. You can click on this download option to download this image. So I'm just going to download this image so that I'll show you when we get to the point of where we'll need to edit our video. I will also show you how to make use of this image to edit your video. So we have downloaded that image. So what you will do, I'm not going to show you all of this, but I've shown you how to generate your image. So we have generated image for 2 paragraphs. So you can continue the rest when you are generating your own story. It's time for us to edit our video. There are different apps that you can use in editing your video, but for this, we are going to be using the CapCut app to edit our video. Let's get started. For those with laptop, you can do this on your laptop. Those with mobile phone, CapCut is also available on your mobile phone. Simply go to Play Store and download the CapCut app. For those using laptop, I've done a video on how to download CapCut. Well, I'll also show you in this video. Since this is a full course, I'll also show you in this video. Just go to your web browser and type in CapCut PC download. I'll leave the link in the description of this video, so you can just tap on that for those using laptop. So click on the first website here, and from here you go to the CapCut website. Then you can simply click on the download for free, and it's going to download this software into your system. Now let me show you how to install the software. Simply go to the folder where you download this, where the downloaded file is. So this is the CapCut app. So what you will do, you just right click on it. When you have seen the file, right click on it, and you are going to run as administrator. This is going to install CapCut on your device. After installing the CapCut, you will find on your desktop the CapCut shortcut icon. Double click on it and it's going to open up CapCut for you. And this is the interface of CapCut after opening it up. Now it's time for us to edit our video. For those using mobile phone, I've linked a video on how to edit this folktale on your mobile phone. So I'll leave that link in the video description, so you can just watch that and you see how to edit this folktale video on your mobile phone. I can't explain that in this particular video right now, so you just go there, watch the video there, okay? A full video on how to edit this folktale on your mobile phone concerning using CapCut. So for those using laptop, you click on create project. Now you just have to click on import to import the videos and the images that you'll be needing, that you will need for your editing. So I'm going to click on import option, and what it's going to do is going to take me to the folder, to select a folder where I want to import my files from. So the files I'll be needing for this, I think, is in my download folder. So I'm going to import that. So this is the voiceover that I did. This is the voiceover and these are the images. So I'm going to hold Control on my keyboard while selecting each of them. You can select them one by one, but I'm going to select them all at once. So I'm going to click on open, and it will be imported here. So from here you can see all our files. So what we need to add first is the voiceover that we generated from Clipchamp or any voiceover website, or even if you use your voice. To use your voice to record this, you can simply use the phone recorder on your phone to on it and record your voice. So this is the voiceover that we did. So what we do is to click on it and drag it to this timeline, or you can click on this plus button to add to track. If you want to see a full video on how to make use of CapCut PC, I'll leave the link to that video in the description of this video, or you can just check somewhere on the screen and you will see a video, a full 1 hour video on how to use CapCut on your PC. So I'm going to add this to track by clicking on this plus icon, and you can see that the voiceover has been added. When you export a voiceover from Clipchamp, is going to export as video. So what you will do when you get to CapCut, you have to extract the audio from it and delete the video part, and that is what we are going to do right now. To do that, come down here, right click on this and click on extract audio. If you recorded your voice over using your voice, you don't have to do this particular process. When you drag your audio file to your timeline, you're just going to add as normal audio layer. So I'm going to extract audio, and you can see the audio file has been extracted. So now what we'll do is to delete this particular part is to delete it. Delete on your keyboard, and that will be deleted. So now take your player back, and let's just play this and listen to how this thing sounds like.
The village of Yumyuk was once a place of simplicity and tradition, known for its lush farm.
You can see how it sounds like. So what we need to do now is to do some little editing to this voice. And to edit this voice, what you will do is come down here, click on the audio layer. Over your right hand side, you will see basic. From this basic, you can increase the volume of the voice. You can come down here, click on reduce noise to reduce background noise, some kind of noise echo from this voice. Then let's just increase this voice a little. So let's play this again.
The village of Yumyuk was once a place of simplicity and tradition, Known for its lush farmlands, serene rivers, and tight-knit community,
So you can hear that. So now it's time for us to add our images, and to add our images we will need to add these images according to what this voiceover is saying. Okay, so we need to expand this our timeline, and to expand your timeline you can simply go down here, click on this zoom in. So I'm going to zoom in. Each time I click on this audio is going to expand so that we can see each where these voices, what is saying at a particular point in time. So now we are going to keep playing through our audio to see where to add our images.
The village of Yumyuk was once a place of simplicity and tradition. Known for its lush farmlands, serene rivers, and tight-knit community, Yumyuk was a place where customs were deeply respected. The women were seen as the pride of the community.
So you can see that. So at the beginning of this voiceover, it's talking about how the village looks like. And remember, we did not create image for that. So you can simply quickly rush and create an image for that. So you can listen to your voiceover, then see what your voiceover is saying, then you create your image for that. Okay, but simply do that. Let's just go to our website and create an image for that quickly. So let's go to the image creator that we use for this. So for this, I'm going to just write this by myself. So I'm going to say generate an image of an African village. So remember, the voiceover talks about the village having large green farmlands. So I'm going to say a village of African village with lush green farmland and river flowing through the village. So I'm going to add realistic, don't forget this. Then I will create. You can see the image of the village. So now we have just generated that. So we click on the download option to download that. So now let's go back to our CapCut and edit our video. So click on this import option to import the image of the village. So we are using this. I think this will be better. So we are going to import this. So now that it has been imported, we are going to add this to where this voiceover is talking about the village. So what we will do now is to click and drag it over to this timeline. So we are going to drag it over here. You can see what I'm doing. So when you drag it over, you take your mouse to this particular position, click and drag it to expand the length of this to match the length where this voiceover is talking about the village. So let's play our video and we'll see what we have.
The village of Yumyuk was once a place of simplicity and tradition. Known for its lush farmlands, serene rivers, and tight-knit community, Yumyuk was a place where customs were deeply respected.
So you can see that if you want to have more images in your video, you can create up to 3 images of the village, and then you at each particular pause of this voiceover where it's still talking about the village, you can input each of those images at that particular location. But I'm not going to do that. So let's play this forward.
The women were seen as the
So now it's talking about the women.
Pride of the community, upholding the values of chastity and family honor. However, as the world beyond the village began to change, so did Yumyuk. A new road was built.
So at that point, it was talking about the women. So we need to bring in an image of those women. So we are going to do the same thing by click and dragging the image, click and drag the image talking about the women to the particular scene where it's still talking about the women. So let's play this.
The women were seen as the pride of the community, upholding the values of chastity and family honor. However, as the world beyond the village began to change, so did Yumyuk. A new road was built connecting the village to the
So you see, at this next part, it's talking about a new road that was constructed in the village. So now we need to add an image of that new road that is being constructed, and here is the image for that. So we'll bring that image in here. So let's play our video again.
A new road was built connecting the village to the bustling city of Eziok. With this connection came new ideas, foreign influences, and a flood of visitors seeking the peacefulness of rural life. But with these visitors came.
So you can see that. So we are going to expand the length of this image to stop at that particular position. So what we are going to do, what you can do is to continue doing this. You are going to be adding your images according to each particular position where your voiceover is talking about some that particular thing. So that's how to add these images. So I'm going to stop there so that we can simply export our video, and then we'll move on to how you create your thumbnail. So I'll split my video, and then we are going to export this video. We'll add some other things to our video to make our video more lively. So we are going to split this, split the audio, and delete that. So let's just take this down. All right, so just say this is our complete video. So we are going to add all your images. As for you that you are generating a full video, add all your images from the advanced example I've just shown you in this particular short editing. So now we need to add transition between our images, and to do that, simply go to transitions. For those using phone, the transitions will be done. It will be done. If you watch my video on that, the transition is done for those using phone. So you can come over here, click on transitions, and for this I'll be using let's see the one we'll need to use for this. So we can use the pull in and pull out. So you can drag this transition and add it in between your clips. So we add a pull in transition in between the first clip, then we'll add a pull out transition. So you can mix this transition so that your video will look as if it's a video, not like a still image, so that you can monetize your channel. So let's play this and we'll see how this transition works.
Were deeply respected. The women were seen as the pride of the community, upholding the respected. The women were seen.
So you can see how the transition works. So this transition is adding between your images.
A new road was built.
Now let's add animation to each of these images. To do that, select the image layer and go over here. At this right hand side, you will see what is called animation. So from here, you see animation, and make sure your internet connection is on. Then from here, we are going to add combo animation. So I'll add a combo animation. So these are animations that will make your image look as if it's a video. So let's just add this pendulum animation. So let's just add this to our video. You can see that.
Once a place of simplicity.
You can see how our video is moving as if it's a video.
Serene rivers.
So you can add this. There are different ones here that you can use on your video. So let's just see this while away.
The women were seen as
so you can see that. So we can add each of these transition to each of this animation. You can add each of this animation to your images so that your images doesn't just stay there. It's going to look as if it's a video. Let's play this.
The village of Yumyuk was once a place of simplicity.
So you can see this black stuff. I don't need that. So let's add another transition, another animation that is not going to have that on it. So let's add this.
The village of Yumyuk was once
I
a
think
place
this one
of
is
simplicity
better.
and tradition.
So if you play this, you will see that our video is going to play, our image is going to play as if it's a video.
The village of Yumyuk was once a place of simplicity and tradition.
All right, so we have done that now. So another thing we can add to this video is effects. So to add effect, you can simply come up here, and from this place you will see effects. So for those using phone, it will be done on your screen also. So from here, it's click on video effects. And let's use this light, this leak. So we are going to click on this plus button to add it to our timeline. So you can see it has been added. So we expand it to expand it to the length of our video. So if you play our video, you will see how this leak effect works.
Known for its lush farmlands, serene rivers, and tight-knit community,
you can see those lights going on our video. You can play around with the speed, the atmosphere. If you don't want it to be that harsh, you can make it 40 or so. The speed, you can make it faster or slow. Then you can play our video again and we'll see that.
Of simplicity and tradition.
All right, so we have added an effect on our video. Now, what we can add to this video is caption so that as the video is playing, people will be able to read what the voiceover is saying. And to do that, you quickly come up here and click on caption. So if you click on caption, from here you will see auto captions. So we are going to click on English and then we'll click on generate, and this caption is going to be generated, and our caption is done generating. Let's play this and we'll see how it looks like.
The village of Yumyuk.
You can see the text showing on your screen. To edit this caption, you can simply select one of them, and from here you go to your right hand side. From this option you will see templates. So if you click on templates, you are going to see the different templates that you can choose from. Now let's pick this particular one. Then we are going to play our video and see how it looks like.
Was once a place of simplicity and tradition, known for its lush farmlands, serene rivers, and tight-knit community.
So you can see what is showing on our video. That is what is called caption. Now, sometimes this caption is not going to be correct, so you are going to correct that by yourself. To do that, you play through your video, see the spellings that are not correct. To correct any of this spelling, you can simply select the text layer and come over to your right hand side here. You will see basic. Here inside here, you will see this place contains what that caption is saying, and tradition known for its lush farmland. This is the text of the caption. So from here, you can change the font. From here, you can add background and some other things that you can do to this caption, but you can simply leave it as it is. And what you can just do to edit this, you can change any of this. If the spelling is not correct, you can erase that and put the correct spelling. So that is that on how to edit your video. Now it's time for us to export, and to export, come up here and click on this export option. From here, give a name to your video. So let's say this video is about virgins. Then I'll come down, export to. This is where this file should be exported to. So if you click on this folder icon, it's going to ask you to select the folder where you want the file to be exported to. So now you come down, you can select your resolution from here. You can select 720 is better, 1080 is better for your resolution. But remember, the higher you go, the higher the file size. So bear that in mind. So we can come down and uncheck the audio, uncheck the export GIF, and then you click on this export. And your video is going to be exported. As we are done editing our video, the next step for us to take is to create our thumbnail. To create this thumbnail, there are different apps that you can use. You can use Canva to create your thumbnail. You can use Photopea to create your thumbnail. You can also use Photoshop to create your thumbnail. For this particular video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step way of creating this your thumbnail using Canva. I just come to this web browser and type in Canva. And the first website you see here, click on it. And when you come to the website, if you haven't used Canva before, you will need to sign up. So you can simply follow the instruction and sign up. Now we are going to create a thumbnail. And when you come to the website, go up here and click on create a design. Then from here, you will see we have YouTube thumbnail. If you don't see what you are looking for, you can simply type in YouTube thumbnail in this search area. So I'm going to click on YouTube thumbnail. For this, we'll be creating our thumbnail from the scratch, so we don't need any of these templates. So just click here, and this is a blank document where we are going to create our thumbnail from the scratch. So now we need to generate an AI image that we'll be using for this thumbnail, and for us to do that, we need to know the title of our video. So let's just go and do a very good title for our video, and this is how you write your title for your video. Now let's go to the video that we are trying to copy. I think the video we are trying to copy was no more virgins, every woman in the village became sex worker. So let's just write that here. So this is the title of our video. So let's make this bold and increase the font size. So this is the title of our video, no more virgins in the village. So now you are going to imagine what kind of attractive thumbnail that you can use. If you go to this video that we are trying to emulate, you will see the kind of thumbnail they use is is a kind of erotic kind of image. So how do we create this style of image? Bing is not going to allow us to create this style of image, but let's just give it a try if we'll be able to generate this style of image. So let's go over to Bing Image Creator. Okay, so in this video in this text box, we are going to describe the kind of image that we want. So we are just going to try our best if it's going to allow us to generate this kind of image. So we are going to say image of African women dressed in short skirts with some parts of their body being exposed. I don't think this website is going to allow us to generate this, but let's just give it a try. They are standing in a village setting. Realistic HD image, oily. So before we start generating, let's just copy all our prompts. So let's copy this, and now let's click on create. If this is going to allow us to generate this, you can see content warning. They are not going to allow us to generate that. So what we are going to do, let's go over to ChatGPT and let's see how we can bypass this. So let's tell ChatGPT to, this is an image prompt. So this video, I'm showing you everything I go through when creating this folktale story. This is an image prompt. So we'll paste in our image prompt here. So we are going to tell ChatGPT, I don't want an AI image generator to block my prompt. So I want you to rewrite this prompt so that it is appropriate for the website to generate the image. So let's send this and see what ChatGPT will give us. So this is a prompt that ChatGPT gives us. So let's just try if this prompt is going to work for us. So let's copy this. So we'll copy that and let's go to the AI website, and then we'll try to generate this image again. Let's paste this. If it doesn't work, then we'll need to use another website to generate this image. Okay, I think that will work. Now let's take a look at the images. So you can see this is the first image. Let's go on and see if we are going to see the one that will be suitable for us. So you can see the kind of images, but I don't think this one is better. So I think the first one should be better, but let's see. We can still tweak our prompt and get reasonable image. So let's go back and tweak this prompt. So the prompt says image of African, so let's say light skin women dressed in modern stylish clothing. Let's say modern stylish, so let's say modern Ankara clothing, standing in a village setting. The outfits are trendy and eye-catching, suitable for nightlife environment. The scene is realistic with high definition details showing the contrast between urban and that. So let's click on the create. So this is how you try to tweak your prompt, see what works and what doesn't work. You can't get this straight, so you don't have to get tired if you really want to do this. So I don't think this one is better. Let's go again. Standing in the outfits are that. So let's say the village. So let's say bushy environment. So let's send this again and see what we have. Okay, so let's open this image. I think this image is kind of better. So let's download it. We can combine the images for our thumbnail. I don't like this image. I think this one will serve. Let's just download this. Also this one, let's download this. So let's just add again the high definition. So let's remove this. So let's send this again. So let's open up the images. I don't like this. It doesn't look more human. This is gonna be better. Okay, so let's just download this. Then let's tweak this prompt again. Light skinned women dressed in this. So let's add realistic. Let's remove this. Okay. Then we'll need to make these women a little bit chubby. Image of African light skin chubby women. Chubby women. So let's see if this is going to work. All right, so this is good. Now let's open this. So this is perfect. So we are going to download this and let's regenerate this again. If you are going to get the same thing, image of African light skin chubby women dressed in modern Ankara clothing, standing lined up, standing in a village setting. So let's create this again. So the kind of feeling we are going after is an erotic feeling. That is what we want to achieve. Unsafe image content detected. I think let's create again. Sometimes they do this. So we just have to tweak our prompt so that we can get what we are looking for. Okay. So let's open this and see what we have. Wow. So let's download this. So people, they are attracted to what they see. So when they see this kind of thumbnail, they will quickly click on your video. Now let's go back to, I think this should serve for what we are going after. So let's go back to our we'll go back to the Canva. Then we are going to go to the left hand side here. Wait guys, if you are watching up to this point and you haven't subscribed to the channel or you haven't liked this video, please, you need to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that we are going to move forward. Now let's go on with our video. Go to the left hand side and click on upload. So we are going to upload files. It will take you to the folder where you can upload your file from. I think my images should be in my downloads. So these are the images I want to use. So I'm going to click on open. And the images are uploading. If you have the patience to watch this video to this extent, then congratulations to you. You are on your way of getting your viral video. So now let's just click on this add button to add this to our scene, to our design. So we have added the first image. So let's scale up this image. If you want to use this particular image, you are good to go. You can still use it and it is going to work. So we can use this. Then we'll have to do some little touching to this image. So we can just scale it up so that their shapes comes out a much more better. Okay. So you can scale it up, bring it to the middle. And then we need to edit this. And to edit that, you simply click on this edit option. When you click on that, you will be given this adjust. So click on adjust. Then we can add some light, some brightness, little bit of brightness. Then we can add contrast. I think this one should be much better. So we can add highlight. So we are going to add each of these things according to how your image looks like, because hopefully you are not going to be creating the same kind of video that I'm creating. So we need to add saturation. So let's just add a little bit of saturation to this. Then we can add vibrance again to this. All right, so we have our image. So we have our image ready for us to use, and you can decide to add add text at the bottom of this image, or you can simply decide to leave the image like this. It's going to tell your message. So simply click on this share button and we are going to download our image. So click on this download button to download your image, and we are going to be downloading our image. So click on download again and our image is going to be downloaded. Now let's try another option by using this other image. So scale up this image. You can scale up this image, then edit the image. Click on edit, the same thing, click on adjust. Then we are going to add some contrast, some brightness to this so that the image pops. Contrast, I don't think this image needs contrast. Then we can add vibrance to this image. We can add a little bit of saturation to the image so that it pops out. All right, so now we'll click on share again to share so that we'll see the one that will work best for our video. Now that we are done creating our thumbnail, this is the final part, and it is very important for you to pay attention to this final part, where we are going to be talking about how you are going to upload your videos. The right way you are going to be uploading your videos, that's what we are going to be discussing in this final part. You have to follow along and pay detailed attention to what I'm about to explain now. Let's get started. Now, to upload your image, you simply come to YouTube, search for YouTube, youtube.com. You can upload your video from your mobile phone. You simply go to your YouTube studio. If you don't have that, you can download that from your Play Store. So you go to your YouTube studio to upload your video. So this is a video showing you how to upload your video. So when you come to the YouTube website, make sure that you're on your channel, the channel you want to upload this video to, and you come over here and click on create. Click on create, and then you click on upload video. It's going to take you to the YouTube studio. Then you click on select files to select the video that you want to upload. So for this, we are going to select the video that we created. This is a video, so I'm going to select this video, then select on open. Click on open, and the video is going to upload just like this. And these are the settings that you simply need to do. So we are going to go to our script and copy this. So we are going to copy this, then we could go to this is where we write our title. So we are going to paste this here. I would advise, if you will be able to sign up for vidIQ, I'll leave a video link in the description of this video that will show you how to make use of vidIQ website, so that you can see some certain things that I'm going to be showing you in this video. Now let's go over to the video that we were trying to emulate. So we can simply write the sex. So we don't want that sex to be there. So what we can do, in the village became prostitute, so we are going to be using prostitute on this. Okay, no more virgins in the village. Every woman in the village became prostitute. So we are going to add this dot. So it should look as if, let me show you this. So this is how you upload your video. So we are going to add this dot so that it should look as if this video, the title still continues. So people will likely want to click on the video to check if there's another title, and by so doing, they are already started watching the video. So you can see what we do there. So we'll come down here and we'll write our description here. So to write your description, you can simply go to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT to write the description for you. Let me simply show you how to do that. So let's go to ChatGPT. I will go to our video. So you go to where we write our video, or you can simply copy the title of your video, which is this title. Can copy this title, then come to ChatGPT. So we are going to tell ChatGPT to please going to say, please write a YouTube video description for this story. So we'll paste in this video title, then we'll tell ChatGPT that I don't want people to know all about the story so that they can watch, so that they will still watch the video. So I will send it. So this is the video description. In a small village facing when challenging traditional values begin to crumble on the weight of modern this story dives into the lives of these women, the struggle they face, and the decision that change everything. Is there hope for redemption? Can the community rebuild itself from the ruins of lost? Watch till the end to discover how this powerful story unfolds. So we are going to copy this. So we are going to copy from here, copy these tags also. So we'll come copy all this, then we'll go to our, as you're uploading a video, we'll come to the description and paste it there. So we are just pasted that. Then from here we are going to add the first tag that should be here, should be African Folktales. So hashtag first, then we are going to write African. Wait guys, if you are watching up to this point and you haven't subscribed to the channel or you haven't liked this video, please, you need to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that we are going to move forward. Now let's go on with our video. African Folktales. Then we'll put hashtag again and we'll write tales. So you see that. So you have written that. So if you have any other videos on your channel, you can link them, copy the link and link them under your video. Then we are going to come down and we'll add here, we'll upload our file, which is we are going to upload the thumbnail. So we'll click on upload file. Then we'll go to where it downloaded the thumbnail to. So I think we'll be using this one. So I'll click on open. So the thumbnail has been added to our video. So let's keep on going. Then here, if you have created playlist on your channel, you can simply add to any playlist of your choice. So I think I've had playlist on this channel, so I'm going to add to taste. If you don't have any playlist, you can create new playlist here. For those using mobile phone, if you want to be able to create playlist, then you need to go to Google Chrome web browser, change your web browser to desktop mode. Then you go to YouTubestudio.com so that you'll be able to use that method to upload your video, so that you'll be able to add playlists to that. Then let's go down. Then we'll set the audience to no, it's not for kids. Then we are going to come down. Then from here, altered content, no. Then we are going to come down. Then here we'll add our tags. So what I basically do, I can copy tags from viral videos and include them here. Or you can simply write your tags by yourself. So you can simply write African Folktales. So that should be the first tags. So if you are making use of vidIQ, it's going to suggest some kind of tags for you. So let me just refresh this African Folktales so you can see some tags that is suggesting for me, because I'm using the premium of vidIQ. But if you are using the free version, you'll be able to have access to suggest some tags suggestion. So I'm going to add some of these tags. I won't be uploading this video to my channel because the video is not complete, but I just want to show you how to do this. If you want to copy tags from other videos, you can simply go to the video you want to copy the tags from. So let's say this particular video, I'm going to open the video. So this video should not play. So when you open any video that you want to copy tags from, on your right hand side you will see the overview, you see the views overview. So go to overview and let's go down. You are going to see the tags that was used. If actually this video there is tags on the video, so let's just scroll down. Then we are going to see video tags here. Okay, so here you can see the video tags. So what you will do, just click on this copy icon and these tags will be copied. Now go back to your own video as you're uploading, then come here in the tags area, just right click and paste this in. So we are going to paste that. So immediately you paste that, the tags are going to be added automatically. So you need to have 500 characters. So we remove the one, since it's more than, we'll have to remove the one that is less. Okay, remove this one. Okay, I think it's okay now. So we have to scroll down. So when you scroll down, you will see recording date. Those ones are not necessary. Make sure you allow comments on your video. If it's off, you click on allow on. So now we'll click on next, and from here you can add end screen. To add end screen, simply add or you import. If you want to add, you click on this add icon and you add relevant video that you want people to watch. After watching your video, you can simply click on import from video, or you can add by yourself. So let's just click on this one video, best for viewer. You can select choose a specific video from here. So let's just say I'm going to choose this particular video. I'll click on save. Then you will come down and you see we have add cards. So we have add cards, so you can add cards between your video. So you just have to come here and click on video. So we add cards to our video. So you can go here again, you add cards to your video. All right, so we click on save. Okay, then now you come down and click on next. Then from here they say copyright, no issues found. Make sure there's no issues found. If there's issues found, make sure you know where the problem is coming from and you attend to that. So I'm going to click on next. Then you can click, if you want to publish this video now, you can simply click on public. But if I don't want to publish this video and you want to publish it like that, you can schedule this video. I'm not going to publish this video. I just wanted to show you guys how to create this particular, how to upload your video. So I'm going to add this video to unlisted so that this video is not going to be public because it's not a complete video. Now you can click on save and your video is going to be what? Saved. And that's it, guys. This is how you create your African folktale videos. I've created so many folktale videos in the past and they are doing well. So if you follow this strategy I've just explained in this long hour video, then you should be sure of getting success in your folktale channel niche. From time to time, I'm going to be dropping new strategies on this channel on how to get success on this particular type of videos. So for you not to miss out on that, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and stay updated on my upcoming videos. If you like to get a mentorship about your folktale channels, then my WhatsApp link will be in the video description. You can go there, tap on that, and get to me to WhatsApp, and we are going to discuss this. But remember, it's going to attract some fee.